Hello everybody and welcome back to Coombe Valley Campers. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a regular video for you this week because of isolation. And I'm here in my garden on a beautiful sunny day. In fact, it's the day of the Great British Camp Out. I hope you've had a good evening camping out and I hope you've donated to the NHS also. They're all doing a fantastic job. So, back to the point, we've filmed a good 10-15 minutes worth of mess ups, bloopers and gags over the last year, and we wanted to share them with you. It'll hopefully bring spirits up, give you a bit of a laugh, and I don't know, bring a bit of light to your Sunday. Enjoy.
You ready? Hi, this is a rad van and welcome to Coombe Valley Campers. Come on in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Coombe Valley Campers. This time...
Go for it.
Brilliant, okay. What we have here is the... Oh, what am I saying? A VW T5 with a... Sorry, I was looking... Yeah.
Look at the viewers are in here.
Sorry, we need like a laptop screen around it. As you saw in our previous video, how to install the split charge system. No, that's not what I want to say at all. Slightly different for you. We have been given a brand new product. Start again. Directly from our website. And come on, Lee. Come on. Right. Once more.
Before you, that sounds stuff. Does that sound right? The black stuff.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Is it my dad or is it Dave?
I don't know. Someone's either got really squeaky hips or they're playing with polystyrene.
A little window up here for some ventilation if it gets steamy in the van, you never know what you could be getting up to.
And also what a leisure battery is as well. No, we're not. We're not going to talk to you about leisure batteries. Okay. Yeah, about electric. I get a lot of comment. Can't do it today. I've been getting a lot of comments recently. I've been getting a... Do you want a close-up jizz shot from the bottle on that as well?
Yeah. I'll have
Ready?
it dirty, jizz, and then clean it up.
Just pull it. Go on. Clockwise. I like it clockwise. Sweet, thank you. That's all I needed to do. That's great.
Oh, you just used me and then throw me on it.
Yeah, that was great, thank you.
To this part, it's brilliant this. Have a little film of this, Ali, and just let it sink in, if you pardon the pun. Water, you filming that for, I do ask.
Oh, you're filming me do this one and this one's being a pain.
I like my van. And I am a tran. But you're a tran?
Yeah, I probably shouldn't say that, I'll get hate speech.
Hate speech. We hate speech him on a daily basis. It's for the greater good.
There you have it. We've had a chat with Simon today. Sorry, I know what you're going to do. He's in there. He's just going to pop his head up in the background. There he is.
Checking out the floor in there. It's quite nice.
There we go. Floor's fitted. Latest. I don't always do a straight cut, but when I do, I make sure it's on camera. Subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Fairly good?
He did it.
See, do you see how hard that came down? When I was in Iraq, one of those cupola covers came off the roof and hit me square on the head. You'll subscribe to our channel, so go ahead and click that now. Thank you very much.
Someone put that
Not on the one single song. Nothing. Hi.
Now I'm going to go down to my storeroom and find something interesting.
We need to man up your horn, I think, Beth.
coat just because I did it so well. I don't want the additional weight up there. This is mine. They needed a grown-up to be able to organise their shenanigans today, so they put me in charge of all operations. I can't read. They don't know I can't read.
Because it's YouTube and I'm anonymous, I feel I've got the right to say anything I want.
The Grill and Chill Show 2019.
You're right, hello.
That's quite fun, that. We put a picture of someone's face on it now.
Put one probe here and one probe here. It's not working. Where we show you how to do just a little bit. Which insulation? For f***'s sake, I keep saying shut. It's insulation, isn't it? Hello everybody, I'm Lee, this is Dan, and today... I tell you what, just hold that, alright? So that's something that you can hold. Is that good?
That was horrendous. This is
I
gonna
can't wait to see that in the outtake. Okay.
Right.
Don't hold it there. You can push that tube back in there. Getting him doing all the dirty jobs. And everything else within that box. Just assuming unit, not a distribution box. I'm sure it's... Right, 1 second. You can stop filming, you bugger. Put your head down.
It's cold.
Due to the shape of the actual campervan itself. Now install it... I'm working on 38-year-old cars. Whoop.
Looks like you're digging for fossils.
Architect. And here we are in ancient Egypt, looking for the remnants of this lost civilization.
With a source of fuel. What we've come up with is, thanks Dan. If he finds it noisy, then we'll get him a silencer.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will again keep the sound down and also keep it a bit warmer in the van as well. It's not a van, it's
Loose, and then we're going to chat with the customer a little bit. I'm waffling again. Come on, Lee. Right, once more. Go and get a shot of Dan.
No, I guess on my nerves.
That palm, I'm actually just almost thumbing it in. So one touch is off, one touch is on, but if you hold it down, you've got different. Okay, have I just killed it? Have a rail down the bottom, rail up the top, and they should slide in really, really nicely. And yeah, we'll get it. He got me right at the last second then. Dan.
Today we're working on this custom Land Rover. It's coming to us for one looking around like this on.
Thanks, Dan.
I'm gonna put some like dance music to this.
Great thing of this silent coat is it's just such a quick application. Silent coat's great because it's such a quick application. Great thing about silent coat is such a quick and easy installation.
3mm groove, pre-routed. Are you joking? It's the front. That is absolutely typical, isn't it? Brilliant.
You would hope that's not on vibrate, mate.
I know, that's why I'm here to catch it. Mother. Are you ready to catch?
Am I ready to catch?
I'm ready to catch.
I definitely wasn't ready.
Oops.
What you want is the finest quality popper. It is made out of... Lee, what they're made out of? Hi.
I've got down it
So we're finished now on this job, and the results are outstanding. That sounds really.
I just did a little trial fit of the beam, and we've just got to cut these two bits out as well, so I'm going to do
I'm happy hitting my pieces of... You're not actually filming, are you?
Yep.
Oh no, that's going on the outtake.
And finally, we've got the Dodo
Right, gents.
He needs this. He's not in a good place right now.
Well, you're not in a good place, Dan.
Here comes Papa Schmurf. Ouch! That's abuse in the workplace, and that's on video.
Use the loo to put your infill in the gap, but make sure you get the right tool.
You caught me well.
Action.
So we're finished now, and
You having fun there, Dan?
So you can't get the leg up.
Story of my life.
sound deadening video that we've done on YouTube as well. That doesn't sound right, does it? This is going to take forever, mate.
To make an earth point down here, and then this will be attached to the fridge itself. In fact, that's completely wrong. Wait there. I think this fridge cable's been put in backwards. This is why I want to get rid of this interior.
Rolling.
How close is that in terms of to my face? Is it just literally just that?
No. I can see your hands. I'm going to come
Oh,
back.
you can see my hands. Okay, that's fine.
No, so I can see. I can't quite. Just say something.
Something.
Take a look in my drawers, see what you can see. Wooden card.
Have you seen this lovely pole? 70 centimetres, I've been told. Now, it's actually our table leg. It is one of the best quality ones, and it really does hold the table well. And if you want to argue that, I don't think you've got a leg to stand on.
We have fitted the awning rail to this T6. Now, as far as awning rails go, this one's pretty good. It's the exposed style of awning. And then we'll get into pulling the carpet out.
Did my hair got to look good? Does my hair look alright?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Now, you might be wondering where Lee has gone and why I'm doing all this quality presenting, but as you'll find, the tables have turned. Oh, Lee, I can't get it off. I need to get it off. I need to get this off. I've gone laughing.
So those big 13 there, that is one of the new changes to the 2019 regulations. And again, oh, it's 14, I've just seen one at the side here, look. Trying to what's the word I'm looking for? It's not exclude, eradicate, that's the wrong word. Exterminate. Exterminate. I wanted to remove this to show. Am I waffling?
No, I don't think so.
I am waffling. I feel like I am. Right, can start again. I feel like I'm waffling. Oh, do behave. Build campers, they said. It would be fun, they said.
And here we have the lesser spotted office workers in their natural habitat. Sometimes they look not very amused.
So from that point on, you'll always have a nice, tight canvas.
That's what you're filming?
Yeah.
Please don't. It's been a long day. Emotionally drained, Ali.
Smooth. Dan's trying to screw with his little tool. Story of his life, sadly.
What's your favourite thing about working at King Valley Campers?
Lunchtime and home time.
Coming to the end of the video, and we're very busy, so we must dash. If you didn't like the video, you can steer clear of these, but as we think, they're really, really, really good. Do you like that one, Ali? You didn't? A little laugh? No?
Oh, your hair's really oh, that's gorgeous, Lee. I love your little fluffy head. Lee's had a really rough day today, so I'm going to do the sign out video. So this is Gary mentoring Lee through life from Coombe Valley Campus. Thank you. Good night.
Love it. Love it.